toe drops. We're going to start with a shuffle step, then we're gonna toe, then we're gonna rock step, toe, rock, step. So the toe rock part is what sometimes trips people up. Toe rock. Or you can think of toe drop. You're like falling back onto the ball of your foot. Toe rock step, toe rock step. So you might want to drill that to get that more comfortable in your body, or if you're sort of struggling with that part, it can take a little bit of practice to feel comfortable with that drop feeling. You're dropping onto the ball. So let's try together. Shuffle, step, toe, rock, step, toe, rock, step, shuffle, step, toe, rock, step, toe, rock, step. To the side. Shuffle, step, toe, rock, step, toe, rock, step, shuffle, step, toe, rock, step, toe, rock, step. Let's go a little bit faster. 5, 6, ready, go, shuffle, step, toe, rock, step. 5, 6, ready, go. That's the double toe drops, which I will often cue as toe drop.